In this video, we are going to talk about calculator strategies for factoring questions. So it's really important to note on the regions, when they say factor completely, that means there's probably more than one type of factoring to be done. And you need to go through all the answer choices and see which ones are not fully factored. So if you go through all these answer choices, you'll see that choice 3 has a GCF that can be pulled out, and choice 4 has dots, difference of two squares, that can still be done. So we are going to cross them out because they are not factored completely. Once you cross out all the ones that aren't fully factored, now you're going to go back and you are going to match graphs because of this word, equivalent. So anytime you factor something, it'll still be equivalent to the original question. That means we are going to take the question and we are going to put it in y1. And we are going to take our remaining choices and put it in y2 and y3 in the calculator. I suggest that you take the time to plug this in to make sure that you know how to do it. I already have all of them in. So y1 is my question, y2 and y3 are my remaining answer choices. You're going to go to the graph and we're going to hit zoom 6 to get a normal window. And you'll see that the blue and the black overlapped. If you go to the table, you'll be able to match tables because the blue y1 and the black y3 are also the same. So the blue one was our question, and then the black one, y3, was now our answer, which was, I believe, choice 2. And remember, when you're showing work for multiple choice on your homework, you could write y1, y2 match graphs as your work. Now, the second one cannot be put in the calculator, and that's because we have two different variables. So we've gone over this before. If you have two different variables, you are going to choose a number. And preferably, do not choose 1, 0, or negative numbers. So I'm going to let x be 2 and y be 3. And then I'm going to sub in these numbers. So I'm going to do 2 to the 8th minus 3 to the 8th. Pen's not working. So I'm going to go to my calculator. And I'm going to do 2 to the 8th minus 3 to the 8th. And that is a big number. That is negative 6,305. And now you're looking to see when you plug 2 and 3 into all of your answer choices, which one gives you negative 6,305. So you're going to see if you plug 2 and 3 in here, do you get negative 6,305? And you'll see that you actually get 1. So that is not the answer choice because it's not equivalent to what we got in the question. So I took the time and I plugged 2 and 3 in for x and y for every single answer choice. And then you have to go to the calculator and actually evaluate it. It's not that this method is hard, it's just that it's very tedious, it takes a long time, and you have to make sure you're plugging in all the right numbers, so you need to be careful. Anyway, choice 2, if you put it in the calculator, was 4,225, not what we wanted. Choice 4 was 390,625, and choice 3 ends up being what we wanted, which was negative 6,305. So when you're factoring, if you have more than one variable on a multiple choice, you can just plug in numbers and your answer is the same as what you got for the original question. I hope this helped. Try to on your own using these two methods.